Hi, my name is Finn, and welcome back to another episode of Tech in 60 Seconds. Today, I am reviewing the Sonos Ace, and I must say, it's been an absolute pleasure to have these over the last week. Starting off with the pros and cons. With the pros, I really like the microphone quality for calls, the ambient noise control, and the bass provided in these headphones. On to the cons. Out of the box, the mids and the highs are very flat. But with the Sonos app, using Bluetooth connectivity, you can go into the EQ settings and adjust the levels to your liking. With the build quality of these headphones, they're made up of plastic, leather, and metal, and they will be durable for a long time. I've loved having these headphones, and they're absolutely great. Time up. If you would like us to review one of your favorite tech products, please leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.